Hello and welcome back to Vocab Junction. Our time travel continues. Last stop was simple past tense. Today's destination is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense refers to those actions and events that were happening for a particular time in the past. Examples: first one is the child was eating an apple. Second one, the birds were chirping in the sky. Third one, I was studying last night.
It talks about actions that were ongoing at a specific time in the past. Example is I was cooking dinner at 8 p.m. last night. In Hindi, मैं कल रात को 8 बजे खाना बना रही थी. सो जहां पर भी रहा था रही थी आएगा वो पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस कहलाएगा. Second one, actions that were interrupted by another actions in the past. Example is I was studying when the phone rang. So एक action को दूसरे action ने interrupt किया बीच में. So there also we will use past continuous tense. I was studying when the phone rang. Third one, two or more simultaneous actions happening in the past. Example is I was eating while they were playing. So two actions are happening here. I was eating while जबकि they were playing, right? मैं खा रही थी जबकि वो लोग खेल रहे थे. Rule for affirmative sentence: subject plus was or were plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. So examples: he was eating an orange. He is the subject here. He is singular, so we are using was here. Eat, first form of the verb plus ing eating, and orange is our object. Now, next one. You were sleeping in the class. You is the subject. With you, we use were, sleeping, sleep plus ing in the class. Third one, they were playing football. So, with they also, we will use were. They were playing football. Rule for negative sentence: subject plus was or were plus not plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. Right? So, for negative sentence, we will use not here. Examples: first one, he was not eating an orange. In affirmative sentence, we used he was eating an orange, and in negative, we'll say he was not eating an orange. Second one, you were not sleeping in the class. Third one, they were not playing football. For interrogative sentence, rule is was or were plus subject plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object and then question mark. Examples: was he eating an orange? Second one, were you sleeping in the class? Third one, were they playing football? Time expressions. We generally use the following time expressions with past continuous tense. First one is while. Example: you were dancing while I was sleeping. Second one, when. I was reading a book when the phone rang. Third one, at. We use it for a specific time. Example: I was watching a movie at 9 p.m. Fourth one, as. As she was leaving the court, a crowd of photographers gathered around her. Last one, all day or morning or night. Example: they were driving all day long. Or you can say, she was gardening all morning. Key points are: rule is subject plus was or were plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. Remember this rule. Second, use was with I, he, she, it. So we will use it for singulars. And we will use were with you, we, they. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for the next one. Do like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.